Hey Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Welcome coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have another box. And the question is, what's in this box? We'll get into that right after this. Welcome back. So today we have this box, and it is from the Royal Canadian Mint. And we shall open it. And has the foil around it. And this is a 2021 Specimen Set, Endangered Species, Blandings Turtle. And of course, this is not the silver proof set. This is the specimen sets, and this is number 1771 of 30,000. And there are the specifications. And here we have the specimen set. All falsy. And I'll move this tissue out of the way and show you these lovely specimen coins. And there is the $50, the toonie with a polar bear, the loonie with the endangered species, the banded turtle, and I love that coin, the nickel with the beaver, and these are lovely reverse proof coins, the quarter with the caribou, and the dime with the blue nose. And this is not a double dated dime, this is a single dated dime. And we'll flip over and see all these lovely images of Queen Elizabeth. So in the comments below, let me know if you like to see these mint sets as I collect them. That's all I really need to know. And if you do like mint sets, do you have any mint sets? And that's all we have for you today. Thank you very much. We hope to see you again soon. And bye for now. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.
Maybe I've been naive before, but I'm not anymore. 'Cause I know that kindness is the answer we're all searching for. Who really, 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 really needs your love. Who really, 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 really I'm begging you to be kind. I'm begging you